If you've received a notification about an impending visit from a family court bailiff, you might be wondering what it means and what actions you can take to stop it. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about family court bailiffs and the rules that apply in 2023. Similar to a county court, a family court handles a variety of cases primarily focused on family matters. While it does deal with debt-related issues, they are primarily limited to child maintenance or similar obligations. This means the main purpose of a family court is to make judgments and decisions regarding family matters, children, and the associated financial problems. It provides an alternative to formal court proceedings, often offering mediation for these sensitive issues. If the party against whom the judgment has been made fails to comply, the court has the authority to send bailiffs to serve a warrant. Family court bailiffs are responsible for legally compelling the target of their judgment to take the necessary actions. Family court bailiff home visits are typically related to specific family matters. These can include domestic abuse court injunctions, serving a divorce or child custody judgment, serving legal documents, and collection of child support debt. Understanding the powers of a family court bailiff is crucial. However, it's important to note that the specific powers granted depend on the type of warrant being served. A bailiff can visit your home any day of the week, including weekends, except between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. If the only individuals present at your home during a bailiff visit are considered vulnerable, such as those under 16 years old or individuals with registered disabilities, the bailiff must leave. Unless they are serving a criminal warrant, a bailiff cannot arrest you. However, if a family court has levied a fine against you that remains unpaid, it could potentially result in a criminal warrant being issued. A bailiff cannot forcefully enter your home unless they are serving a criminal warrant. They can only enter if you invite them in or if they find an unlocked door. If requested, the bailiff must provide their identification and explain why the court has sent them to your home. Bailiffs are prohibited from acting aggressively, making threats, or using abusive language. Now, can you prevent a family court bailiff from visiting your home? The answer depends on the specific situation. If you understand why the bailiff is coming, there are steps you can take to potentially stop the visit. Number 1. Child support debt. To avoid a bailiff visit, you must pay the debt in full once you receive a notice of enforcement from them. In such cases, you may be able to negotiate installment payments directly with the bailiff. Number 2. Serving divorce papers. If you have already received the divorce papers but haven't acknowledged them, it's important to do so promptly. Once the court is aware of your agreements with the divorce proceedings, the bailiff will no longer need to visit. Number 3. Court injunctions. Unfortunately, there's usually no way to prevent bailiffs from visiting you to serve an injunction. However, the visit should be brief, as the bailiff's role is simply to deliver the documents to ensure the court knows that you received them. Number 4. Being served legal documents. Similarly, you cannot usually stop a bailiff from visiting to serve legal documents. Their purpose is to deliver the documents to ensure you are aware of their content. If you're struggling with debt, then there are a number of debt solution options available here in the UK. Some are free to use, and others will include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description below to get started and answer a few simple multiple choice questions, like the total amount of debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.